gents, we're back on a vlog. Not much talking, just riding. It's Route 28A from Olive, New York. And that's NYCScrambler up ahead. Cruising, we're chilling, and MotoNoir is behind. We're about 100, maybe a little less miles from New York City. Chilling. Beautiful properties around here, and we got a lake to the left. Can't see it though. Sorry, reservoir. A reservoir. Reservoir. Harder. Harder. Go harder. Faster, stronger. Bro, sick. Watch out for deer, watch out for gravel, and fucking sticks and stones. Jay, you've been this way before, right? Cool. Yeah, it's pretty nifty. Nifty little path. Yup. Merchant shop. Oh, Biden. Holy cow. Back in, closer to the city, less Trump signs. Hopefully this pickup truck realizes we're on motorcycles and we're having a lot more fun than he is. That's a straight, but sketchy. Yeah. We got a little straight here. Really? Yeah, I'm not so bad. Really? Oh, you got heated grips? Nerd. Nerd. Passing zone? No? Nah, that's okay. We can just relax. Not that serious. It's a legal pace. Nice legal pace. However, there will be a straight after this turn. Do it. Go, Jay. And then let's make a little bit of a gap and slow back down to legal speeds before a state trooper. Dude, are you fucking serious? No, pass him like an asshole. Fucking pass him. Fucking jerk off. Dickhead. Like totally sees us coming. Pulls out. Disapproving head shake. Are they like way back now? Ryan? Cool. Nice car. Little outing. Brand new pavement. This turn looks so cool, right? It's like a freaking, should be in New Hampshire. I feel like we had to take a right soon, right? No, that's not it. Definitely not that one. Although, could be possible. I wish my GPS worked. I gotta stop because my fingers, my gloves can't be working the screen. But we'll stop somewhere. Let's find a pull-off spot for like a pee-pee stop and quick regroup. We can get our GPSs going. It's pretty soon we're gonna be out of this foresty area and back to the real world. Marble Town. That sounds spicy. Or is this the turn coming up to the right after this? Yeah, I think this is a turn, right? No, not really. Not with all these. This is the turn for sure. Take a right here. Yep. Fact. Fact of life. Watch out. Oh yeah, this road is fun. Jay is still turning to the right. Amateur move. Yeah, I love this road. This section is super smooth. Super smooth. Yeah, and there's, I think there's one little pull off in the next 10 minutes or so by a little river. Or, hell yeah, hello. Oh, I waved and he didn't say hello. Fuck you, bro. Damn, so cold. Yeah, he's probably mid-control, mid-control. Oh, look at this. Ducati. Pulling on Yamaha. Gaining all the time. Yo, bro. Yeah, this road is pretty dope. Look at this shit. Whoa ho ho! Danger turn, danger turn. Whoa. 1/10 of a second away from Jay. Look at this turn. Wow. Epic. This is why I love this road. I try to take this road every time. What is it, 213? Yeah. Route 213. Kinda nice. Watch out. Dope. My camera is dead. Oh, it's okay. It's a nice road and all, but I've shot it before 10 times. Is that your camera? Nice. Upstate New York.